Did Quarky just fall apart? Let's check. Dropped hard, but no cracks, no damage. Introducing Quarky 3.1, more robust, sturdy, and packed with endless possibilities. Built to handle whatever your classroom throws at it. Let's talk about its power. Holding more than 10 kilograms and still keep going like a pro. You know, it has metal geared motors. With those, Quarky pulls this heavy trolley or climb a 45-degree ramp. Now watch this. Quarky doesn't stop, whether it falls from a table or rolls as a skateboard. It is built to handle whatever comes its way. Let's put sand. It still works. What about diving in the water? No, it's not waterproof yet, but it can still sail on water. Whether running on sand or sailing on water, Quarky lets your students explore and create without limits. That's not all. With motors and sensors, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. And here's another upgrade. Now its wheels have metal inserts. Look how they handle vigorous wear. Super sturdy. Extreme cold, bring it on. Quarky is tough enough to handle that as well. Wait, what? A car? Still working with a few injuries. And this is not just a solo act. Now multiple Quarky can work all together. Quarky is more than just a robot. It's a launch pad for exploration, creativity, and limitless potential.
As we said, it's built to handle whatever your classroom throws at it.
But remember, handle with care.